No, just don't know what's called.
Oh, just don't know how to
What
explain.
do okay. Before I continue again, is there anyone still remember the radius and tangent will make how many degree?
What?
Yeah. Radius and tangent line at circle will always make how many degree?
90.
Yes, radius and
Uh,
tangent line, it will always be 90 degree. The angle sorry. The angle in front of a diameter will be how many degree? The circumference the angle at circumference that face the diameter, it will be equals to how many?
180.
The diameter is 180, but I asked the angle at circumference. So it will be how many?
360.
Hmm? Okay, if you forget, what did we learn yesterday? What did we learn yesterday? Angle at
that
center.
Center.
Angle
uh,
at center
Same.
is blah blah blah. Angle at circumference. What is it? What is that?
Twice.
Yeah, angle at center is twice of angle at circumference. So when the angle at circumference is the diameter is making 180 degree. So the angle that face the angle at circumference that face diameter, it will be 90 degree, because the angle at circumference is a half of angle at center. You do not revise anything again at home.
Yesterday lessons.
Yesterday lesson. And forget my notes also. Okay. So if I have two angle at circumference that face the diameter, they will be equal or they will be different? Knock, knock, knock. Are you there, my lovely, lovely students? Yeah, it will be equal. The angle at circumference, they will be equal as long as they are facing the same arc. If they are not facing the same arc, they will be different. Okay. Please keep everything that we learn about the properties in a circle, because later the question will be combined with all of the angle properties that you have learned. So please kindly try to make notes or anything to make it easier for you to remember about all the angle properties. Because when I give you homework, not all of you submit it to me also. Only those people who always submit it to me. Okay. Now we'll continue to a cyclic quadrilateral. What is cyclic quadrilateral? Cyclic quadrilateral is any four-side shapes as long as all the vertex or the corner touching the circle. So this is, as you can see, already gave the diagram. This is the corner. This is the corner. This is the corner. This is the corner. It has four corner and all of the corner are touching the circle. That is what we call as a cyclic quadrilateral. For the cyclic quadrilateral, there will be a unique uh, properties. If quadrilateral, the total it will be 360, but it's not only like that. For the circle, there will be a unique in here. This and this, when we plus them, it will be equals to 180. The opposite angles in total will be equals to 180. So for the alpha and beta also, the angle, this is the alpha, the beta, when we plus them, the answer will be equals to 180. Is there anyone get confused about these notes? Hello?
Yes, teacher.
Is there anyone who get confused?
No.
Now let us continue. This is what we call as alternate segment. What is alternate segment? It's only happen on the circle also, and this is wait, where is my pen? Okay, let's see. My pen is missing. Okay, these two, this angle theta, these two, they will be equal. This is what we call as a alternate segment. So this is facing the outside and this is also facing the same way. This is also this. Wait, why my button is there anyone is trying to be the host? No. Oh, sorry. Okay. My pen. This and this, it will be equal also. So that's why in this circle, you have to be able to observe the diagram properly. And after you able to observe the diagram properly, you have to be able to recognize, because later everything will be combined all together in one question. Yeah, this is what we call as a alternate segment theorem. These two, they will be equal, and then this is also facing over there. Why my pen? This is facing over there. This is the outside facing over there. So this and this will be equal. This one facing over there. This angle is facing over there also. We call it as alternate. It's not really like making a Z shape, but this is alternate. Yeah. That's why you need to be able to observe it. Okay, to make it easier, let us just discuss some question. This is, I take it from your textbook, page 335, exercise 25.10. Is there anyone who wants to help me to find how many degrees angle A?
80.
Anyone? 80? Is there anyone who get confused? Why is it 80? Is there anyone who get confused? Why is it 80? Okay, if it is cyclic quadrilateral, what things that we just learned before?
A with 100 equals to 180.
The opposite angles in the cyclic quadrilateral in total will be equals to how many?
180.
180, right? So this is the 100 is opposite to which angle?
100.
Yeah, the 100 will be opposite to the angle A. They are opposite facing each other. In total will be equals to 180. I already have 100 here, so the leftover will be 80. Is there anyone who get confused? Okay, if you're not getting confused, Erika, Natalie, do not say anything. I want to talk to Danielle. Danielle, you still there? Can you help me to find the angle B? How many degree it will be? Danielle, are you still there? Yeah, then can you help me? How many degrees angle B? Not all of you are turning on the camera, even to unmute yourself also you cannot. Is there anyone? Yeah, Danielle, I want Danielle. How many degree? Oh, you cannot hear me. And then you do not ask me any question. You do not write anything through the chat box. Let us move to question 2 then, if no one get confused. How many degree is angle E?
70.
How did you get 70?
180 minus 110.
Okay, is there anyone who get confused? Okay, now let me talk to those who never say anything in my class. Is straight line how many degree?
Twenty.
I told you you have to be able to recognize all the angle properties that I've been telling you like 2 weeks ago. This is straight line, so in total will be equals to 180 degree. I already have 110 over here, so the E will be equals to 70. Okay, let me talk to Owen. Are you still there, Owen? Can you help me to find how many degrees angle C? Owen, are you still there? Are you still there? Is there anyone who get confused? Is there anyone who get confused to find the F? No one? Okay, if no one get confused, wait, do not talk. I will talk to some students first. Okay, let me try to talk. Oops, sorry. Let me try to talk to who ya? Ayong. Can you try help me to find the angle G? How many degree it will be? Ayong, are you still there? Hello? Ayong? Ayong, are you still there joining my class? Ayong? Ayong? Okay, so here we have to find the cyclic quadrilateral. You have to try to be creative to find the cyclic quadrilateral because in here there are two cyclic quadrilateral that is overlapping to each other. This is the angle M that I'm going to looking for. So the angle M is opposite to which angle in this place? This is angle M. So it has to be opposite to the other angle in here, right? So this is the angle that is opposite. This part, right? Is there anyone who disagree or get confused with my hand drawing? So the angle M is opposite to the total of 30 and 95. When you plus 30 and 95, in total it will be equals to 125, right? So it means for the angle M, I just do 180 minus 125, which is equals to 55. Is there anyone who get confused? It's okay to ask rather than you stay quiet and later you do not understand anything. Is there anyone who get confused? Is there anyone? No? Really? Okay, if no one get confused, let us continue. How many degree is angle P? Good day, are you still there? Can you help me to find how many degrees angle? No, yeah, P, right? Okay, good day is there. Can you help me to find how many degree is, okay, maybe angle P, how many degree it will be? Or maybe if you, before go to the P, it will be easier to find the angle N.
And
And it will be easier if you find the angle N. How many
85.
degrees angle N?
85.
Okay, if you get confused, I'll give you like a line help. Maybe it will be helping. Wait. Do you still remember the corresponding angle and everything? So I can make letter F in here. Is it? Or before, if you don't want to make the letter F, do you still remember when we have co-interior angle, how many it will be? The total angle in between of two parallel lines, it will be how many degree? This L and M, they are in between two parallel lines, right? So they are in total will be how many degree?
180.
180, right? I already have the L, so how many degree is the N?
85.
Okay, the N it will be equals to 85.
85.
Is there anyone who get confused to get 85?
No.
Is there anyone? In between two parallel lines, it will be always equals to 180 degree. There is an arrow. The arrow, it means they are parallel. So in between the parallel lines is these two angles. They are in total will be equals to 180 degree. The L we already found it as 95. That's why the N it will be equals to 85 degree. So Gede, can you help me to find the angle P? You haven't answered my question. How many degrees angle P? Already give a help. Gede? Gede, are you still there? If you get confused, just find the quadrilateral that have angle P. After you have it, find the angle P is opposite to which angle. That is the clue. Yes, the P it will be equals to 95 degree. Is there anyone who get confused? Why is it 95? Is there anyone who get confused? Because the angle P is opposite to the angle N. If we use this cyclic quadrilateral, so the angle P and angle N in total it will be equals to 180 degree. The N is already equals to 85, so the P it will be equals to 95. Is there anyone have difficulties? Or maybe I go too fast? Is there anyone who get confused? No? Okay, if no one get confused, anyone want to help me to find the how many degrees angle Q?
55.
How did you get 55, Natalie?
180 minus 30 minus 95.
Okay, good job. It will be equals to 55 because the angle P, if you still remember about the vertically opposite, this is the triangle. In the complete triangle, in total, it will be equals to 180 degree. So you need to find the angle that opposite to 90, the angle Q. The opposite angle with the Q is on this place. In this part, we can find it by 180 minus 30 minus the P, which is equals to 95. And when we calculate it, it will be equals to 55. The P and the yellow angle, they will be equals because they are vertically opposite. That's why the Q, it will be equals to 55 degree. Is there anyone who get confused? Or maybe I talk too fast? I can repeat. Is there anyone who get confused? Is there anyone who get confused? No question? Okay, if no question, let us continue to question 6. We still have like 4 minutes left. Okay. For the question 6, Is there anyone who wants to help me to find how many degrees angle U?
120.
How did you get 120, Hugo? That is correct. But how did
180
you get it?
minus 60.
180 minus 60. Is there anyone who get confused to get the U is equals to 120? Yeah. No one get confused for sure. Okay, if no one get confused, let us find the angle R. How many degrees angle R?
60.
Okay, the angle R is also equals 60. Is there anyone who get confused to get the angle R? The U is 120. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Sorry. I did not see the
70.
pen. Yeah, sorry. Sorry. Thank you for reminding me. There is a small angle in here. This is the 10 degree. Okay, I also miss it. Sorry. If a straight line, in total it will be equals to 180. This triangle is an isosceles triangle. So this part, it will be equals to 60 degree. And then the small part over there is 10 degree. If straight line in total is 180. So for the angle U, it will be equals to 180 minus 60 minus 10, which is equals to 70 degree. So the angle R, it will be equals to 110. Is there anyone who disagree with my answer or get confused? Is there anyone disagree or get confused? It's okay. Is there anyone have difficulties? No? If no one asks me any questions, so let us continue to find the S. How many degrees angle S?
Teacher,
Yes?
is U
120.
Sorry?
isn't U 110 and R 70?
The U is, or I make a wrong calculation. Yes, I make a wrong calculation. Thank you. Yes, it is opposite. Correct, Hugo. This is the typo that I make. Okay, the U is 110 and then the R is 70 degree. Thank you. Is there anyone who disagree with my answer or maybe I typed the wrong answer also? Remind me.